Charles' law states that the volume of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature, assuming the quantity of a gas and the pressure remain constant. Firstly, we need a ping pong ball, cup and a hot water. Firstly, pour the hot water into the cup, then put the ping pong ball into the hot water. When the ping pong ball was heated, the volume inside the ping pong ball will increase and it will push the ping pong ball back to its original shape.
Boyle's law is a gas law which states that the pressure exerted by a gas which is of a given mass kept at a constant temperature is inversely proportional to the volume occupied by it. In other words, the pressure and volume of a gas are inversely proportional to each other if the temperature and the quantity of gas are kept constant. As per Boyle's law, any change in the volume occupied by a gas at constant quantity and temperature will result in a change in the pressure exerted by it. In other words, the product of the initial pressure and the initial volume of a gas is equal to the product of its final pressure and final volume, which is at constant temperature and number of moles. The formula and derivation of Boyle's law can be expressed mathematically as follows: P1 times V1 equal to P2 times V2, which is P is the initial pressure exerted by the gas and V is the initial volume occupied by the gas. To do Boyle's law application, we need to have plastic bottle, balloon and skewers. First, a hole is made in the base of the bottle to allow airflow. Second, a balloon is attached to the base of the bottle and the balloon is also inserted into the bottle and attached to the nozzle of the bottle. Balloons at the side of the bottle were drawn and observations were recorded. As the compressed air within the bottle escapes, the pressure on the balloons decreases. This causes the balloon to expand to its original volume.
For the third and final experiment, which is for combined gas law, we are going to do the egg in a bottle experiment, but the egg is substituted with balloon which has been filled with water. So you might wonder, what is combined gas law in ideal gas? Well, the combined gas law combines Charles' law, Boyle's law and Gay-Lussac's law. It describes the mathematical relationship between the volume, pressure and temperature of a gas. Charles' law is if the pressure of an ideal gas remains constant, its volume and temperature are directly proportional, while Boyle's law is if the temperature of an ideal gas remains constant, its pressure and volume are inversely proportional. And for Gay Lou-Sack's law, if the volume of an ideal gas remains constant, its temperature and pressure are directly proportional. So the things we will need for this experiment is a piece of paper, a lighter, an empty bottle, and a balloon filled with water. So to conduct this experiment, first of all, we need to light up the piece of paper with the lighter, and when it has flames on it, we put it inside the empty water bottle and then place the balloon filled with water on top. When the paper is put inside the bottle, the rising temperature will make the air molecules spread about. Then the air molecules will be compressed against the bottle since the bottle volume is constant. So this makes the air pressure inside the bottle increases rapidly. But the air pressure inside the bottle will be decreased when the flame is extinguished. This will make the air pressure inside the bottle less than the air pressure outside the bottle. So the air pressure outside the bottle will push the balloon inside the bottle, but it isn't fully pushed inside since the material of the balloon is rubbery and an egg is slippery and squishy. So this is how the experiment would look like if we were to use an egg instead of a balloon filled with water. The egg would go into the beaker with ease.